Hello, everybody. This is Susanne speaking. Finally, we made it, and we are happy to invite you to our Slack Gate community. In this short video, I'm going to introduce you to some basic principles that hopefully make the use of Slack for you easy and convenient. I will explain to you how to find channels, how to set notifications in a supporting way, and how to communicate effectively using the so-called threads. I'm going to share my screen to start. Okay, this is what you can see up to now: 3 channels, general, how to Slack, and I have a case. This is the place to reach out for support if you have a case. So how to find channels? You click on this, on the 3 buttons, and then you find this browse channels, and there you will see what are the channels that are available, and you can leave or join accordingly. So once in a while you may check this, but we want to keep it simple, so these 3 are a good start. So the next thing is how to set notifications in a helpful way, because you can really do it the way that feels appropriate for you. If you click on By Their Gate and then go to Preferences, then you can see the following ways how to set notifications for all new messages, or only if you're mentioned directly with your name, or you never want to have notifications, or if the settings should be different for your mobile device, etc. Okay, so that's and then you can choose some settings here. That's one option, and another one is to make the settings for each channel separate. So you can click on the channel and then say, for this channel, I want to get notifications for all messages. This would be probably the notification for the I have a case channel. So because you may not want to miss a notification in that channel. Last but not least, how to communicate properly. If I set up a post like this one here, hi all, and then we recommend to answer in what we call a thread. And you find the thread if you click on this speech bubble, then you see another window opening called thread. And if I type here, hey, all back, then this appears as a reply rather than as a new communication, which keeps just the amount of text and visualization a bit more clear. Okay, hope this helps. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.